Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the file cannot be opened because of header error in Adobe Premiere. So if you're coming across this issue in today's tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to resolve that. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Folder Options. Best match to go back with File Explorer Options. So go ahead and just left click on that. And now you want to select the View tab, and then you want to locate where it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here and see where it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Uncheck that box, and then you want to select Apply and OK. And once you're done with that, you should be able to go locate whatever JPEG or image file you were having an issue with, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.